Budapest and beyond! In October of 1944, Hitler overthrew the leader of the Hungarian government. He replaced him with a man whose ideology closely followed his own. They immediately established the Arrow Cross Party, a fascist, anti-Semitic organization. The Arrow Cross Party brutally and publicly terrorized the Jews in Budapest by beating and killing them. Nearly 80,000 Jews were expelled from Hungary in a death march to the Austrian border, and approximately 20,000 Jews were shot along the banks of the Danube River. The victims were forced to remove their shoes at gunpoint. The victims then turned to face their executioner, and they were shot in the neck, causing them to fall backwards into the nearly frozen river and to be washed away. The shoes on the Danube monument on the Danube promenade is a haunting tribute to this horrific time in history. The monument consists of 60 pairs of 1940s-styled shoes, sculpted out of iron. At 3 points along the memorial are cast iron signs with the following text in Hungarian, English, and Hebrew. To the memory of the victims shot on the Danube by Arrow Cross militiamen in 1944 and 1945. Erected 16 April 2005.